All parties Hurriyat Conference Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar paid glowing tribute to the martyrs of July 13, 1931 and called for the complete shutdown across the territory tomorrow to honor their legacy. In a statement in Srinagar, Gulzar urged the people to march towards the martyrs' graveyard in Srinagar, where the 22 heroes of July 13 are buried. Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control in Pakistan and the world over will observe the Kashmir's Martyr Day tomorrow to pay homage to the martyrs of July 13, 1931 and all other Kashmiri martyrs. The day will be marked by a complete shutdown in occupied Kashmir and a march towards the martyrs' graveyard in Srinagar, where the 22 martyrs of July 13 are buried. Indian police attached the civilian properties of 4 more Kashmiris under draconian the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act in Ganderbal and Bandipora districts. The police, on the orders of the New Delhi imposed administration in occupied Kashmir led by the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, attached the agricultural land measuring 9 canals and 1.5 marlas worth Rs 3.2 crore owned by 3 individuals identified as Farooq Ahmad Rathar, Noor Mohammad Pare and Mohammad Maqbool Sofi, all the residents of the Ganderbal district. More than 8,500 Indian Army personnel equipped with advanced weapons and technology have been deployed to ensure the safe conduct of the annual Hindu Amarnath Yatra. More than 8,500 Indian Army personnel are deployed under Operation Shiva, in addition to the thousands of the troops from the Central Armed Police Forces and other paramilitary units already deployed to guard the pilgrims. Pakistan has dismissed the remarks by the Indian National Security Advisor Ajit Kumar Doval, terming his claims of zero damage to the Indian military targets during the recent military standoff as a distortion and misrepresentation that violated the established norms of the statecraft. The remarks follow Doval's comments on a university convocation in India, where he claimed that India had successfully hit all 9 identified targets on 7th May without suffering any damage during Pakistan's retaliation. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Kashmir chapter held a meeting in Muzaffarabad with the refugee leaders from occupied Kashmir in connection with the observance of the Kashmir's Martyrs' Day on July 13. The meeting was presided over by the senior APHC AJK leader Syed Yusuf Naseem.